We get a bird's eye view of an apartment home's development. Text: The Landing, Ocean View Hills. Sunlight filters through trees against a blue sky. Palm trees and blue flags that say The Landing line a street. A gray metal fence runs along the development and there is a brick wall displaying a blue sign that says The Landing, Ocean View Hills, Apartment Homes. Various colors and styles of apartment homes. In the courtyard, a concrete pathway curves among a green lawn, landscaping, and trees. There is a mountain way on the horizon. There is a pool with curved sides on a large patio, a covered area with chaise lounges, tables and chairs with umbrellas, a hot tub, and a grill. There is a children's playground with slides and interactive climbing equipment. There are restrooms and a sauna in the pool house. There is a gym with stair steppers and weight machines in front of a wall of mirrors. The concrete sidewalk has railings on the steps leading to the courtyard. There are two apartment buildings next to each other. One is beige with maroon trim and one is gray with dark gray trim. The apartment home's development has a gated front entrance. An apartment home surrounded by trees sits behind a gray metal fence atop a hill. The Landing, Ocean View Hills,